Thank you. Llyr, will the First Minister make a statement on plans to attract and retain GPs in North Wales?
Well, Welsh Government is committed to increasing the number of doctors working in general practice in all areas of Wales, including North Wales.
We know of the situation as it currently exists. It's been raised consistently in this chamber with you. I know of up to 7 practices in the Wrexham area alone which are at threat of closure, and many other in other parts of the region in the same position. Now, one of the practical difficulties causing problems is the situation in terms of the cost of indemnity insurance for doctors as a cost of over £10,000 possibly. Now, clearly, I wouldn't expect them not to have that cover, but it can be a very practical problem, for example, in trying to attract retired doctors back to assist in certain areas. The BMA have raised this regularly. We as Assembly members, I know, have received clear messages to that end. Can I ask you, therefore, what the government intends to do to try and tackle that practical problem?
Well, this is a very important point, and I would imagine that there has been an increase in the cost of indemnity insurance. Therefore, may I write to the member to give him the details that I can as regards this and as regards the British Medical Association.